What's going on, everybody? Another day, back in the garage. Today, I get to fix an ignition switch. For some problem, or for some reason, sometimes it doesn't want to start, and that is my Ford Escape, when you turn the key. So, I need to fix it. You take it to an auto shop, they're going to charge you $1,000 to replace this whole console in this whole area. You don't need to do that. What you need to do is spend $50, get the ignition switch part that has actually failed, and switch it out by yourself. So that's what I'm going to do today, and bring you along. Alright, so the first order of business is to remove 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 right here, and that's going to give us access to the column inside, and where the part's going to be just about right there. This is a 5.5 sized head. It's a little hard, you got to get it just at the right angle. There it is. And number 3. And hopefully that's the hardest part. Now with the screwdriver, I can easily separate these seams to get it apart. There we go. Like I said, the part's going to be right down here, so I just need to get this bottom piece off to get access to it. Second, let's all the way come off. Yep, and that's what it was. It wanted to all the way come off or separate to be able to get to this piece. Let's see. Once the loop down with the lever, and there we go. And here's the piece we need. So all we need to do is take it apart and pull it off. And now that we have access to this piece that we need to replace, we can easily use the little tab right here and separate the wire harness. It comes out just like that. We'll leave that off to the side. And now we got a tab on the bottom and on the top. So if I show on the part that the new one, it fits in just like that. There's a wiring harness, and if you can see, tab on top and tab on the bottom. So that's what I'm going to be pushing on to be able to pull this out. So tab on the bottom first, using a screwdriver to kind of help it. Bottom's done. Now the top part, you might want to do the top first because it's a little limited space. Push down on that top part, and it's loose. Now go to the bottom, push down, and it came right out. And there we go. Easy as that. So now I can pull it right out. And now installation is the same exact thing, but just in reverse order. So the wiring harness plug goes facing in that way. Squeeze this bad boy in here. Very tight fit. And popped it in. Whew. There we go. Now it's nice and seated good. Good pull test. And that clicked in nicely. So now there is no wiggle, no play, because that was the issue before, was this was wiggling and the ignition wasn't hitting properly. So now test it out. And there we go. That's how to fix it. Now the plastic pieces are back together, put back on, screws back in, hand tighten. That's it, project done. You just saved yourself over $500, maybe $600, maybe even $1,000. Because as I said, they want to charge me $1,000 to replace this whole console when I figured out it's just that one relay switch. So hopefully that helps somebody else. As always, thank you for watching. Ride safe, drive safe, and keep two wheels on the road.